Clinical packaging is becoming more complex, with a shift from traditional formats to device-based therapies. As that complexity grows, study teams need more than standard solutions. They need packaging that is designed around the specific needs of each study. Meeting those needs requires flexibility and the ability to design and adapt in real time. The packaging engineering room makes that possible. Teams can design and prototype packaging solutions in real time, creating and testing samples before moving to full-scale production. Concepts can be refined quickly, with rapid iteration to ensure compatibility and performance. And with advanced 3D printing, fully customized fixtures and components can be created to support even the most complex requirements. The result is packaging that is tailored to each study, rather than adapted from standard formats. This approach allows teams to respond quickly as study needs evolve, without slowing progress. Ultimately, it supports faster study execution and helps ensure therapies reach patients without delay.